This is a Seth Thomas pocket watch. See on the back, there's a steam train motif. Let's go over the case actually right now. This is silver ode, which is not silver. See, there are two chips on the underside. It's not up top, it's underneath and inside. So we'll do this right now. It's inside the frame. There they are. You can see them. They're under the bracket, so there's that. That's not seized. Close this up. I don't want any more getting into it. Sorry. You can kind of get it running to about that much, and then inevitably it slows to a stop because it doesn't want to wind. I don't know if it's because the movement is completely stored with energy right now and it doesn't want to run because of needing a service. It desperately needs a service. And maybe more, as you can see. This is a 508 movement, by the way, which is not a common movement for Seth Thomas. There's one screw missing in the 508 movement. Looks like you could look it up yourself for all the specifications. It's just really filthy, and there's clearly some oxidation in there in spots. It needs a little love, maybe a lot of love, especially the mainspring. But anyway, like I said, that's about all you can get out of it right now. So it wants to go, it's just too manky right now. Anyway, 508 movement. Sorry. Silver Ode, Philadelphia Watch Case Company. It's not silver, obviously, with the verdigris. Screw back. Won't wind. Seth Thomas. That's pretty much the story there. Anyway. Detail.